My name's Alex, and this is my dad, Ron. He just turned 42 years old, and he's too old for birthday spankings, so we are going to do birthday paintball shots. Okay, so let's get started.
All right.
Put your mask on. Always put your mask on.
Let me get my mask.
It's not going to be good.
Okay.
Yes. Ready?
Go!
Make sure you can see him. Good. Can you?
I thought it was.
Go! Come on, get it over
And that was my dad's birthday shot.
How was your experience, Dad?
How was my experience? That freaking hurt. That was the most painful thing I've done since I've been doing this.
0 how much did it hurt? 100 to 0.
You mean a 0 to 100?
Yeah.
I would probably say it was somewhere in the realm of like 60, 70. It was bad. It was not higher than that. There, and on the thumb, my hand is shaking. Oh, that hurt. Did you miss?
No.
No, he got them all.
Did you?
Yeah.
He got on every single one of them. Hit you. All four.
Okay, I think I'm good now.